Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce me, Desivani Duardani, a student of the Teacher Education Program from Sarjana Taman Siswa University, Yogyakarta. I would like to present a class action research article. The title of my article is Effort to Increase IPA's Learning Motivation Using the Implementation of the CRT or Culturally Responsive Teaching in Class 4 SD Negeri Depok 2. Background: Education is a human endeavor to develop physical and spiritual talent and potential basic based on social and cultural value. It aims to improve morals, intellect, and behavior. Quality education is very important to improve human resources and must keep up with the development of science and technology. Effective learning involves active student involvement and is strongly influenced by motivation. Research on science learning in grade 4 of SD Negeri Depok 2 shown that students' learning motivation is very low. The contributing factors include limited teaching, student interaction, and students who lack focus during lesson. To confirm this, innovation in learning is needed, such as culturally responsive teaching or CRT. Approaching CRT integrates student cultural background into the learning process, making it more relevant and engaging. This approach has proven effective in increasing motivation and creating a more inclusive learning environment. The Merdeka curriculum in Indonesia supports the method, allowing schools to customize teaching. This research aims to increase IPA's learning motivation through GRT, foster a culturally inclusive environment, enrich students' experience, and build a stronger connection between the lesson and the environment. Method: This study used classroom action research method or PTK with learn scale 1 to 4 to measure students' learning motivation in science learning with a focus on culturally responsive teaching or CRT approach. Culturally responsive teaching or CRT application. Learning motivation, a key factor in academic success, influenced by intrinsic factor and extrinsic factor. Teachers play an important role in fostering motivation as this has a significant impact on learning outcome. Motivated students are more likely to appreciate between results, which emphasizes the importance of innovative approaches such as GRT to increase engagement. Result and discussion. This study aimed to improve the learning motivation of fourth grade students of SD Negeri Depok 2 through the culturally responsive teaching or CRT approach. Conclude over two circles, each consisting of two meeting. The study involved an initial diagnostic assessment and a learning motivation questionnaire to measure progress. Result of cycle 1. Initial diagnosis assessment. Most students had low or very low motivation. Only 6% had high motivation and none were in the very high category. In cycle 2, uh, after implementing the CRT approach, motivation increased 46% percent of the students were in the medium category, 33 in the high category, and 13 in the very high category. However, 6% still show low motivation with required improvement in Circle 2. Conclusion: this classroom action route aims to inclusive learning motivation for grade students of SD Negeri Depok 2 through the application of the CRT approach. This research was conducted in two circles using data collection technique in the form of classroom observation and learning motivation questionnaire. The results show that the application of the CRT approach success in the increasing the learning motivation of IPAS grade for students of SD Negeri Depok 2. This was evidenced by an increase in the learning motivation questionnaire score in each circle. The increase in learning motivation questionnaire score shown the student become more motivated, enthusiastic, and diligent in learning IPAS after participating in learning with the CRT approach. Based on the result of this study, it can be included that the CRT approach is considered of effective for increasing the learning motivation of IPAS grade for students of SD Negeri Depok 2. That's all I can say. Please apologize if there are many mistakes. Thank you for your time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.